Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a payment method in the Noon application. So to be able to add a payment method, you must first go to the checkout. So that means that you have to select any product, and then once you are on the checkout, then there is where you can put your payment details. So if I go to the accounts and if I go to the payment section, which is in here, it will say that add these in a checkout for a smoother experience. So that's what we're gonna do. So we must first pick any product in here. So let's say just this one, and I'm going to add this on my cart. And then let's view our cart at the bottom right. And from here, we're gonna tap on the checkout. So once we tap on the checkout, you must first locate your address right here. And then once you're done with that, you will have to put there your payment method. So that's pretty much it. It's a very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.